everyone, so here today we are finishing off a Spitfire, the Mark IIA, made by Revell. It's in 1/32 and it's very nice kit to build. So, okay, here we are putting together the undercarriage. Pieces are already made. Get the glue out and here we go. Tamiya glue is very good for this kind of small gluing jobs because it dries very fast. So that's why I like to use it. Okay, just make sure this goes on and put some more glue on it. Put a bit of extra glue on here to make sure it sticks. And so now we wait for it to dry and let's see how these come on. Okay, yeah, just put a bit more glue on here. So, okay, so that's one gear leg done. Now I'll just attach the wheel itself, check everything's okay. Plenty of glue into the hole where it's hit to. Put a bit more in there. It's always good to make sure the bond's strong and okay, be gentle. Okay, clips in very nicely. Now let's just let it dry and oh, that's coming off. I'll just hold it in place and then put some more glue on it. The gear leg's very fiddly because the actual leg doesn't want to stay on the cover. Put some down there. Okay, that one should be done. Okay, we have a problem here as this one's actually snapped. The leg's actually snapped and the pin's inside the wheel. So we'll have to put some extra glue on this one. Make sure it's nice and strong. Okay, put some on the wheel itself. Hold it in. Put some more glue on. It's always good to have lots of glue on a bond. No, not working. Well, let's try some Humboldt glue. Hopefully this will work better. Scratch off this. Okay. That and then like that. Okay, well, Humboldt glue has worked. Now let's just leave them there. Worked very well. Okay, now the gear has dried. Yeah, so yeah, nice and sturdy. This one's dried slightly off center. This is the one that snapped, by the way. Don't know if you can see it, but I think that's going to be okay. You can't really notice, but it's a shame it snapped. And that's where Humboldt glue is really, does a great job. It's when you have painted surfaces that you need to glue, but your Tamiya glue is very good for just regular gluing when there's no paint on both surfaces. So the Humbrol glue did a great job there, and we'll finish up the painting. There are a few places to paint there and a few small areas, but mainly the wheel wells here and the flaps. Also got to just repaint sections of the undercarriage, such as there, because of the glue, the Tamiya glue, which does tend to make paint come loose when you put Tamiya glue on it. So let's get the paint. Let's do the undercarriage first, and we need to do, I think we'll need aluminium first. So I'm using Revell glue, no, Tamiya glue actually. Not glue, sorry, paint, Tamiya paint. This is flat aluminium, so XF16. And there. Now, paper clips are very useful. If you straighten the paper clip out, you can actually mix paints, good paint stirrer if you don't have a tool to mix it. Okay, so let's get out a brush and some tissue. Let's see, we need a small brush. I just use your regular Humbrol brushes that come with the Airfix starter kits. They do a very good job. It's always good to trim down your brushes if they are too big, or start, what do you call it, where the actual, oh, well, that's not good. Ooh. Yeah, where the fibres actually start sticking out. So let's repaint this area because it doesn't looks like some of the paint's come off. So there, put some of that paint there. Light's very important, especially when you're painting, because you want to be able to see all your small details. So, okay, that's pretty much done. Let's just move Spitfire out of the way. And that all looks okay. Let's just repaint this area. Don't worry when you're painting that the paint actually goes out onto the wheel, because you can always repaint that. So it's typically better to get the paint on the inside, harder to reach areas on first. Now, okay, let's let this one dry and do this one.